Hey class, I hope this video finds you all doing well. It is July 2nd today, and putting out just a little announcement looking forward to the rest of the class here and just a couple of other things. So if you turned in your note cards and your outline either on Blackboard or one or two of you emailed them to me, you should have them back by now with feedback and a grade. If you do not, and there's one of you or so who used your free late assignment, and of course you don't have anything back yet. But if you turn something in and you do not have feedback or you don't have a grade, please email me letting me know. But otherwise, you should all have feedback and grades for your note cards and your outline. Overall, I thought things went really well, and I mean that. Overall, I thought the outlines and the note cards looked good. The outline, especially in my opinion, is the really more critical assignment here in the way of just kind of creating the shell of your paper. What I'm going to encourage most of you to do, and I encourage in some of the feedback here that I provided, you might go to Module 4. I think I have it also in Module 6, which is the first draft module. And I encourage you to watch the Common Paper Traps video that I put out. That can be an important paper for some of you. There's about a handful of the topics or so that throughout my semesters of teaching this course using those topics, people fall into common traps. And I noticed some of those on your outlines. So you might watch that video. Otherwise, I thought everything went really well. Many of you had really strong outlines. And right now in this module, Module 5, you are working on a couple of quizzes, reading some APA formatting stuff, taking a couple of quizzes on that material. And then you have your first draft due. Your first draft is due on July 13th. July 13th. So that's only about 11 days away or so. So I really encourage you to hit the quizzes hard, hit the material hard, and then get working on your first draft as quickly as you can so you have time to really write that and develop it. Again, one of the challenges of summer courses is that they move quite a bit faster. So make sure you use your outline, your note cards, your research to write your paper. Please, please make sure that you go to Module 6 and you watch the videos there. I have a detailed video going over the rubric that I used for the paper. And those videos, it's over the course of 2 videos. Those are very important. I really line out things that I look for and I go over the rubric with you. So please make sure that you do that. After you turn in your first draft on July 13th, the next module is the partner critique, which a lot of people actually really like doing. I will be assigning your partner to you shortly after you turn in your first draft. You have to turn in a first draft in order to do that assignment. So please make sure you turn in a first draft so you can do a partner critique. But I will be assigning those partners to you. So this is the time of the semester, guys. It is almost July 4th here, which kind of signals kind of the middle of the summer. It's an exciting time because we're in the thick of the summer. People are starting to finally relax a little bit, hopefully, but it is still very much in the thick of the summer semester, and this is where things really pick up. So if you've been doing well in this class thus far, stay on the gas pedal, power through, and before you know it, in just a few weeks, I'll be putting out a video in order to wrap the class up. So keep pushing forward. You can do it. Email me with questions, communicate, and we'll get through it. Thanks.